Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix connection to server dropped in Betmgm. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. So first of all, let me explain how this problem can occur. First and foremost, try to check if the Betmgm server is online or not. To do so, you can go to their Twitter profile or X profile. Recently Twitter has changed to X, so go to Twitter or X and check if Betmgm has uploaded anything about server maintenance. If they are under server maintenance, their server will be offline and you can't access Betmgm. You can also go to Reddit and search for if there is any server drop or server maintenance in Betmgm. If their server is offline, you will get this kind of error. To solve this problem, all you can do is wait for them to make their server online. Once their server is online back again, you will be able to log into your account and you won't be getting connection to server drop problem. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.